Hello YouTube, let's learn something very interesting, and that is how to run external applications through our own application but using object-oriented way. Right, so classes, of course, and let's call it external. It's totally up to you. And let's go to definition of functions under public access level, let's say void, and let's run calculator. So call calculator without parameters, of course, because it's a void, it's very simple. So now we need to say system here, and every time when you're passing something to this function so that application will be executed, you need to use double quotes here. And calculator, okay, so we have our blueprint pretty much already, and down there we are going to create some generic object, who cares, based on what? Based on external class. External, let's say object, something stupid, and let's call stuff dedicated for it from external, like library. So what is offered for us to us is call calculator, fine, call calculator, of course, with brackets, and now the thing will run, but check what's gonna happen. So error, but don't worry, it's nothing scary. So system was not declared in this scope. This is often a problem people will run into, especially when they are beginners, and solution is just to include additional capabilities. So include header tstd library, and now you have all options for this function to be usable down there. Okay, so let's do that. There you go, you have your calculator, and of course you can substitute this thing with any other like name of application, and the thing will work. Question: can you call same stuff multiple times? Well, sure. Let's call it 3 times, and they will be executed one after another, as you see. But the weird thing is, I mean, it's Windows internal stuff, is if you have a type of applications like Notepad where you need to type specific things, then one application will wait for another. So let me explain with the help of Notepad here. Void call Notepad. Okay, we are going to target that thing with a system option. Don't forget semicolons. Sorry, double quotes. Notepad. No, what the hell? Notelad. Okay, and down there, if you call, let me actually reuse this stuff. Call Notepad. Let me delete this one. The thing will totally fine. In this case, in very simple case, see, you have both of them, but see, there is that time difference that is all visible and also important when you have multiple of these one after another, because there will be that pause. Actually, one application will block another one. Okay, Notepad is done, but now when I press 6, I will get everything after that, like a calculator and additional things. Right, do I have anything in a background? No, at the moment. So yeah, just pay attention about that. Where is my freaking editor? Right, now here's a question: can you pack couple of like run options inside of same function? Well, sure. Let's just grab this thing and put it here, and let's delete this stuff, and now this thing will totally work. And now we will just call one method, because all functionality is under that function, under that method. Okay, so no need, or I mean, we basically don't have anything except call calculator, which is stupid name, because now we need to run 2 applications. Let's just say caller, maybe that's more appropriate. So caller, and the thing will also work. Right, there you go. Okay, let me see. Next question. Can we like use ping here? Something relatively interactive, like to ping additional IP out there? Well, ping also in combination, what I said, combination with calculator, why not? I'm going to hit, I think my IP at the moment, if it didn't change because it's dynamically allocated. So I think everything will be fine. Okay, so we have a ping and yeah, calculator. So this thing will work. Don't overdo it because there are that additional options for ping. If you put a lot of packets that will go out, then you will be blocked by your firewall, your ISP, whatever. Don't play around too much with other people PCs. That is said by someone who was doing some things like 2 decades ago when I was learning about security and stuff. So just don't do some things. When I am talking about that, let me see a couple of examples that were a lot of used in like in internet cafes where you don't have access to specific things like DOS or FTP or Telnet client. Well, yeah, let's actually do that. So 2 decades ago, I was doing something like this. Let me explain. Using C++, because it's a closed source application, basically to get into CMD when I need that. Of course, sometimes it will work, sometimes not, but it's very interesting and sometimes even today useful. There you go, you are into DOS basically. And such a stuff. So let me see, do I need to talk about anything here more? Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm gonna shut up. Don't experiment with other people's CB. Not CB. It's not CDs, but IPs. I'm losing my mind. Anyway, I need to get to eat something. Thank you for watching. See you next one.